What's in it for me? That's what your dream client wants to know from the very moment they land on your website. But if you're only listing the features of your products and services, they're really not going to understand how what you're offering will benefit them. So let's have a look at what the difference is between features and benefits and how you can make them work the best inside of your messaging. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs like you level up your business online with a brand and website that makes a connection with your dream client. And a key thing you can do to make that connection is to be clear in describing how your product or service can benefit your audience. You may have heard people say that features tell and benefits sell. But maybe you're wondering, what's the difference? Features are the facts or the attributes about your product or service. They're the what. The benefits then are the why. Why those facts matter to your clients and customers. For example, think about your favorite pair of jeans. It's unlikely that you bought them because they were made of 96% cotton and 4% spandex. But you definitely would tell your friends about how comfortable they are and how they stretch when you move. And what about that last tube of toothpaste that you bought? Did you buy it because it said it will remove 78% of surface stains? Well, yes, but you really bought it because you wanted your teeth to be whiter. Sometimes features can be more obvious when you're selling products than when you're selling services. But if you're a life coach, for example, it's a feature that you're helping your clients to reach short and long-term goals. The benefit is that you help them understand what they want out of life and make a plan as to how to achieve those goals. So why are benefits so important? Benefits are important because they answer the question that your dream client is asking, what's in it for me? Because when it comes down to it, they don't really care about what your product or service can do. What they care about is what it can do for them. Often, features are made up of technical jargon, and while they mean a lot to you as an insider, they tend to just confuse your audience and really don't help to motivate them to buy. If you only list the features, it's going to be hard for your audience to really understand how what you're offering can help them. Benefits, on the other hand, will paint a picture so that your audience can really understand how what you're offering can change their life for the better. So how can you be sure that you're talking about benefits and not features? The first thing you need to know is what they want. You have to know your dream client's end goal and their challenges and their deep desires so that you can speak to what they want. So figure out what they're secretly dreaming about and then determine how you can fulfill their wishes. The second thing you need to do is tell them what to do. Once you know what they want, tell them what to do by starting out with an action verb, like say goodbye to sleepless nights or achieve your full potential. The last thing you want to do is ask the question, why does it matter? So once you've done your writing, read everything back and ask yourself the question that your dream client's going to be asking, why does it matter? And keep asking the question until you narrow it down to the very core of what will motivate them to make change. By focusing on the benefits that your audience will receive, you'll be able to connect your offer to their desires. And that's where the magic lies. Now, if you're wondering, how do I know what my audience wants in the first place? Then click this video right here to learn the exact steps you need to take to figuring that out. But before you head over there, hit subscribe and be sure to click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.